Understanding Healthcare Coverage, a Beginner's Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic that affects many people around the world: healthcare coverage. Whether you're moving to a new country or trying to understand healthcare policies better, knowing about healthcare coverage is essential. Let's explore what it means and why it's so important for your health and well-being. Healthcare coverage refers to the insurance or support you have to pay for medical services. It can come from many sources, including government programs, private insurance companies, or employer-provided plans. The main idea is that you have a safety net that helps cover the cost of medical care, from doctor's visits to surgeries and prescriptions. There are several types of healthcare coverage, and understanding them can help you make informed decisions about your health. Public healthcare insurance, funded by the government. This type offers basic healthcare services to citizens and residents, often free or at a reduced cost. Private healthcare insurance. This is purchased from a private company and can offer more extensive coverage, including services not covered by public insurance. Employer-provided coverage. Many employers offer healthcare insurance as a benefit to their employees, partially or fully covering medical expenses. Having healthcare coverage is crucial for several reasons. Financial protection. It protects you from the high costs of medical care, which can be financially devastating without insurance. Access to care. Coverage often provides you with better access to a wide range of healthcare services and professionals. Preventive services. Many plans cover preventive services to keep you healthy, such as vaccinations and regular checkups, at no extra cost. Obtaining healthcare coverage varies by country and individual circumstances. Here are some general steps. 1. Research. Look into the different types of coverage available in your area. 2. Compare plans. Evaluate what each plan covers and the costs involved, including premiums, deductibles, and out-of-pocket expenses. 3. Apply. Once you've chosen a plan, follow the application process, which may involve providing personal and financial information. We hope this video has shed some light on the complex but crucial topic of healthcare coverage. Remember, having the right coverage can significantly impact your health, your financial security, and your peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. Stay healthy and informed.